Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing how to install Anbox. It's an app that lets you run Android on Linux. So first of all, everything I'm gonna say here is from the Arch Linux documentation, the Wikipedia. Alright, so you should definitely check it out if you run into any errors or something that I didn't cover in this video. So first of all, we're gonna install the required packages, these ones using Yay. By the way, everything here, all of the text will be in the video's description, so it is recommended that you follow along with me. Once we've done that, we're gonna enable and mount the kernel modules. Alright, we're gonna use these two commands. We're basically gonna enable binder and the ashmem modules. Next up, we're gonna make a directory and mount binder. After that, we're gonna activate the modules on startup. So we're gonna open a new file, paste the following, and basically that's it. It's simple as that. Next up, network manager or internet. Again, a very simple one-liner. This is the one. Paste it into a terminal, and that's it. Alright, now last but not least, we want to enable the Anbox service. So we're gonna enable it with this line. Now in this stage, I recommend rebooting your computer and trying to launch the Anbox manager. If everything goes smoothly, you should be seeing this screen. Alright, this is the Anbox application manager. If you got to this point, well done. If not, worry not. This is an error-prone process. It's all good. Okay, now in this step, you want to install an app. All right. So this is the syntax: adb install, and then you list the APK file you want to install. So first of all, let's make sure. Again, once the Anbox application manager is open, I'm gonna type adb devices, and I can see that the emulator is a device. It means that I find it. So because I have two devices, I need to specify which device I'm referring to and install and the path to the APK file. Alright, I'm gonna hit enter, and that's it. Now as you can see, this is the file I've just installed. It's really quick, it works flawlessly. Just to make sure we've got the internet thing going, we can go to web view and see if it works. For example, let's go to Google and see if it works. Awesome. So that's it. If you've encountered any problems or if you have any questions, feel free to send me in the comments or send me a message. That's it for now. Have a great day. Bye bye.